Every time the weight said, let it go. Every closed door tried to tell you no. Bruised by nights you never outgrew. You held your ground when the pressure grew. From cracked pavement you learned to rise. Held on to vision with tired eyes. When the easy way